Hello friends, welcome to our new video. Let's see the today's problem. The today's problem is bacteria. Okay, so let's try to solve this. Before that, if you are watching our video for the first time or if you did not subscribe to our channel yet, then please go and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon as well so that you can get the notifications of our new videos. Okay, so let's see the problem statement. Okay, here you can see that we have given a problem statement. The problem statement is there are a bacteria. Okay, and each time Jerry shouts, the bacteria multiply by k times. Okay, in order to have b or more slims, at least how many times does Jerry need to shout? Okay, in the input we have given the three teachers, that is a, b, and k. Okay, and here you can see that we have given some sample input and output for this problem. Okay, so in this problem what we have to do, we have given the three integers. Okay, that is a for bacteria. Okay, and we have given b and k. Okay, so in this problem uh, we have to uh, find that to achieve the B or more slims, Jerry, uh, at least how many times Jerry does need to shout. Okay, so इस प्रॉब्लम में हमें क्या करना है कि हमें फाइंड करना है कि एटलीस्ट बी जो नंबर दिया है वो अचीव करने के लिए हमें या फिर जो जेरी है उसको कितनी बार शाउट करना पड़ेगा तो हम ये बी नंबर अचीव कर सकते हैं. ओके, और जब भी जेरी शाउट करेगा तो क्या होगा, द बैक्टीरिया जो है यानी कि ये नंबर जो दिया है ये ए. ओके, ये क्या होगा, मल्टीप्लाई होगा के टाइम्स. ओके, सो यानी कि लेट्स सपोज जेरी जेरी 1 बार शाउट करता है. ओके, तो जो बैक्टीरियाज हैं वो मल्टीप्लाई होंगे 1 टाइम्स. ओके, एक बार मल्टीप्लाई हो गया वो के टाइम्स. ओके, सॉरी, जो बैक्टीरियाज है वो के टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई होंगे. ओके, सो let's try to understand this by using some example. Okay, so let's suppose here we have given this sample input. Okay, so this is back for bacteria. Okay, this is bacteria. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to achieve this number which is b. Okay, so to achieve this b we have to find how many times Jerry needs to shout. Okay, और Jerry जब भी shout करेगा तो ये जो बैक्टीरियाज हैं वो के टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई होंगे. Okay, so in this sample input we have given the b as a 4. Okay, so to achieve this 4 we have to find how many times Jerry need to shout. Okay, so let's see. So if Jerry shouts at the one time, okay, so let's suppose one time अगर Jerry shout करता है if, okay, so जो ये बैक्टीरिया है which is 1 वो क्या होंगे k टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई होंगे यानी कि 2, 1 into 2. okay, so equals to 2. okay, now ये की वैल्यू हमारी क्या हो गई 2. it is a. okay, now जब जेरी सेकेंड टाइम शाउट करेगा, ओके, तो अभी नाउ ये की वैल्यू है 2. ओके, सो 2 सेकेंड टाइम जब शाउट करेगा जेरी तो क्या होगा के टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई होगा ये. ओके, सो के कितना है 2 है, सो 2 into 2 equals to 4. okay, so you can see that we have achieved b. okay, so for that how many times Jerry shouts, that is this two times. Two times Jerry shouts to achieve this B. Okay, so output for this should be 2. Okay, you can see here output is 2. Okay, and for the let's see for this second sample input. So now our B is 7. B is 7. Okay, so now we have to check how many times Jerry needs to shout to achieve 7. Okay, so uh, here you can see that the A value of A is 7. Okay, so Jerry does not need to shout because it is already 7. Okay, so the Jerry does not shout. एक बार भी जेरी को इस केस में शाउट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Okay, so that is why for this sample input output should be 0. Okay, and in this third sample input output should be 6. Okay, so Jerry needs to shout 6 times to achieve this number. Okay, so this is the problem. Okay, now what we can do, let's try to write the code for this problem. Okay, so first what I can do, I will write the scanner class. Scanner sc equals to new scanner, then system dot in. Okay, now we have to take the 3 number. So for that what I can do, I will write long a equals to sc dot next long, then long b equals to sc dot next long, then long k equals to sc dot next long. Okay, so now we have taken these three numbers as input. Okay, so now what we can do here, I will initialize one variable. Let's suppose answer, and we'll initialize it with 0. Okay, now here now we have to check that uh, b, this b needs to be greater than this a. ओके, सो फॉर दैट यहाँ पे हम एक कंडीशन लिखेंगे जो यहाँ पे कंडीशन लिखेंगे, दैट इज जो ये बैक्टीरिया है वो है इट नीड्स टू बी लेस देन दिस बी. ओके, सो फॉर दैट हियर आई विल राइट while condition. Inside this I will write while a is less than b. Okay, then if it is true, then what we can do, we have to multiply the bacteria by k times. Okay, so here we'll multiply the bacteria by k times. Okay, and what we can do, हम क्या करेंगे, इसको स्टोर करेंगे a में. Okay, that is bacteria. Okay, now we simply increment the answer. So we'll write answer plus plus. Okay, and here I will print the answer. Print answer. Okay, so this is the code for this problem. Let's see whether it works fine or not. So I'll copy this input. Let's paste it in the input. Click on run. Okay, output is 2. Okay, required output is as well 2. Okay, now let's see for this second sample input. So I'll copy this. Let's paste it here. Click on run. Okay, you can see that output is 0. Now let's see for this third. So I'll copy this. Let's paste it here. Click on run. For this output should be 6. Okay, you can see that output is 6. Okay, so now all the sample inputs are showing correct output. Now what we can do, let's try to submit this code and let's see whether all the test cases will pass or not. Okay, so click on submit. Okay, here you can see that all the test cases have been passed. ओके सो दैट्स इट इन दिस वीडियो. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. ओके सो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.